If you can't build it, then you can't ride it, man. You gotta earn your ride over here. 1000cc work, baby. Post your work. Where my guys at that built their bike, man? That's a different connection right there, man. Where my guys at, man? If you ain't build your bike, you don't know your bike, man. If you ain't bust your knuckles up, if you just go call your mechanic, change my oil, change my tires, and you don't know your bike enough, man. This work. You gotta earn your ride over here. 1000cc work, baby. 1000cc's, baby. Put some work in, man. Go practice.